Hi all, I'm Madam Kong from Perak Matriculation. I would like to represent my group to present the Professional Learning Community K discussion with title Let's Learn Organic Chemistry with Organic Compendium-E-Book Slider. My team members included Vaishnavi, Satya Kumaran, and Yvonne. First of all, this K discussion was conducted by using PDCA, which is Plan, Do, Check, Action. Organic chemistry involving memorizing a long list of chemical reactions which begin from Introduction to Organic Chemistry until Polymer topic in SK025 Chemistry. There are 10 out of 13 chapters of SK025 Chemistry syllabus that were related to organic chemistry. Unfortunately, students often confuse the chemical preparation, chemical reaction, chemical mechanism, and anything that related with organic. Even notes and guidance were given during lecture, tutorial, and practical class. The teaching and learning of organic chemistry has always been a challenge for students and teachers in various levels, starting from secondary school, pre-university to undergraduate courses. Moreover, our targeted students were Generation Z, consisted of those born in 1995 or later. They started to use digital technology since a young age and are comfortable with the internet and social media. Thus, we need to personalize the learning method of organic chemistry for them. Pedagogy approach is a good approach for them. This approach totally depends on student initiative and motivation to study. It is suitable for the Generation Z so that they are able to learn on their own pace. So, our goal of this case discussion is to introduce students to an effective method in learning organic chemistry, at the same time incorporating 21st century teaching tools in teaching and learning process. Next step is Do. Our focus is to create a user-friendly digital tools that enhance student understanding, motivation, and memorization in learning organic chemistry. We improve it by using design thinking, and we share it through IG, Facebook, and by using this platform to create an organic Compendium-E-Book Slider for students. Based on design thinking, we empathize to discuss the past experience among teachers and lecturers. Then we use Define to identify our problem based on 5W2H. What are we discussing about organic chemistry? Why we discuss it? Because students dislike study organic chemistry. And where? In Perak Matriculation College. And who is our target student? When? Semester 2. And then how? Create a tool that is student study organic chemistry. And our idea is using worst possible idea technique. If students give up in learning organic chemistry, what would happen? So the most undesired result is they would be unable to answer the quiz and test for the continuous assessment. Then they would fail in SK025. So we create a digital tool which name is Organic Compendium-E-Book Slider. Then we test run this link by using F3T15 students. They are the pilot group for this digital tools. This is the surface of Organic Compendium-E-Book Slider. Let's have a brief view. Included chemical properties, preparation, and mechanism. Next is Check. Our K discussion was conducted in 3 cycles. So the first cycle we are planning and preparation stage, second cycle pilot test, implementation of the e-book slider, and data collection. Cycle 3, based on the data collection, we do some analysis, prepare and prevent, and then lastly we do the report writing and presentation. So our finding analysis, there are 5 themes. So we conducted this analysis by using questionnaire and interview. The 5 themes included enhance student understanding, promoting student motivation and learning interest, enhance student memorization, user-friendly, and in line with current trend. The score for enhanced student understanding by using questionnaire is 4.32 out of 5. So, based on interview, students indicate that the use of organic Compendium-E-Book slider could enhance their understanding in learning organic chemistry. Next theme, promoting students' motivation and learning interest. Based on questionnaire, the score of this theme is 4.07. All students indicate that the e-book slider could promote motivation to learn organic chemistry. One of the students claimed that the design of the e-book was one of the factors to stimulate her learning desire. So these are their feedback. So now we look at Team C, enhanced student memorization, which with 4.16 score. And then most students indicate that organic Compendium-E-Book slider could enhance their memorization in learning organic chemistry. Then could have better remember for all the chemical reaction and equation. So these were their feedback. Next, user-friendly. For this team are lower compared to the others, which is 3.81, because some of them still prefer to use the textbook to do revision instead of e-book slider. So most students indicate it was flexible and easy to access the link. The 5th team is in line with current trend. So the score for this team is 4.44. Most students indicate the organic Compendium-E-Book slider was in line with 21st century teaching strategies and 4th industry revolution 4II in education. They comment it does help a lot and even train students to use technology efficiently. Next, we try to check again these two by using SWOT analysis. So based on the feedback, the strength of these tools is easy accessible, convenient to study, and no wear and tear issue like hard copy or textbook. But the weakness of these two is the accessibility depends on internet access. And then some of the students comment it unable to jot down the keyboard by using pen or pencil. The trick of this ebook is we require a paradigm shift in education community, because some of the students still lack of exposure of ebook. And then the opportunity of this tool is can create more ebook for other topics besides organic chemistry and can enhance distance education. It is a platform of innovation, and nowadays digital media grow rapidly. So the impact on lecturer is beneficial in cultivating self-learning and self-assessment, and also provide the opportunity for knowledge sharing, empathize, and teamwork activities among lecturers, like this case discussion. At the same time, enable lecturers to experiment with new technology and application and build creative and innovative teaching aids. And lastly, enrich professionalism among lecturers. Of course, it also gives many positive impact on students. First, this tool is suitable for Z generation. They can study based on their own pace and can actively involve them in the teaching and learning process, while having fun as lecturers become more creative in their teaching. Also can enhance student retention of the required knowledge, because they can keep on repeat slide the book and read the books through their handphone. And then last, increase student motivation and achievement through this process. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.